Okay, there are certainly no shortage of wild rides these days. Phoenix just put the Lakers on one yesterday, up the best of 7 series at 2 games apiece and effectively hitting the restart button. It's now a race to see who can win 2 games first. The Celtics are back on the attack back in Orlando tonight for another shot at closing out the series and heading back to the NBA Finals. Convert Bond asked me to have Brad wear his Celtics jersey until they won the title. We'll see what we can do, but you can bet that he'll have it on tonight. This morning at Magnum Opus Financial, we're looking at XHB. The newest report on home sales sent the housing ETF up nearly 3% today, back over $17. If you get another shot at $16 in this and you're looking for a way to broadly play the recovery of the housing sector, this is a terrific way to do it. For more on what's in the ETF, check out the video we did earlier. And might we add, at a better price, by searching for MO Financial and the ticker symbol XHB in your YouTube search bar, and it'll bring up the work we've done previously on XHB. Other names that are on our radar today. Turkcell, symbol TKC, is very well run mobile carrier in Central and Eastern Europe, Turkey, and its surrounding areas. It yields 4.5%, and the stock has been badly battered from its recent high of $16. You should be able to ride this name back up to the same level where you can start to take some off as the yield declines. Finally, still in that area of the world, the ETF that tracks the broad Russian market, RSX, is down about $10 from its recent highs. We do think that the sell-off in that part of the world, China and Russia, are particularly overdone. There's quite a bit of both energy and industrials in the fund, with financials being the third biggest holding. Altogether, those 3 segments make up 78% of the holdings. The Russian market is particularly volatile, so this is a nice way to play the whole market. We're not traders already, but we recommend holding this ETF for a decade or so, taking some of it off when it's overheated, and then adding when you see massive declines like the ones from 36 down to its current levels around $27, which we think is a bit much. We think RSX, PIN, PGJ, and EWZ can all be held for a decade or a lifetime and give you a great performance over 10 to 50 years. This call on RSX is really about trying to pick a near-term bottom and letting those who want emerging market exposure, or exposure to Russia specifically, and we think it's seen a bottom for now. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining us, and be sure that you'll be able to reinvest those Turkcell dividends before you buy it. We've seen where the platforms have trouble with reinvesting the dividends of foreign companies because some of the complications with international taxes and other details with owning an ADR, so check that out with your broker first. There's been a lot of buzz about options recently, and we've talked to several people about the AFT interview we did with Jared Levy. Jared and Brad have a very cool discussion about options. Jared is someone who explains options extremely well, so check out AFT with Jared Levy by going to magnumopusfinancial.com/demystify, or you can click on the Listen Here link in the green box on the homepage to get to it. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you tomorrow.